Hey everyone, this video is for those of you that use your bodies a lot, yoga for muscle recovery. So we're going to move slowly and hold poses so that we can get deep into the large and small muscles that we overuse and tend to underuse other muscles. And then hopefully your bodies will feel strong and good to move again tomorrow. Let's start this class in child's pose. So go ahead and open your knees, big toes together. And then take your arms out in front of you and then gently rest your forehead down. Deepen your breath, and then as you do this, I want you to feel space under your arms, and then I want you to feel a nice stretch right here at your lower back. As you inhale, expand the muscles in your back, and then as you exhale, let your chest fall forward between your knees. Take 3 more deep breaths like that. So inhale. And exhale for 1. Inhale. Exhale for 2. And then inhale. And exhale for 3. Slowly and carefully from here, make your way up to your hands and your knees in tabletop. And then separate your feet so that they're right behind you, knees underneath you, and then spread your fingers. Inhale, puff up your heart as you lead with your chest. And then exhale, tuck your chin, gaze at your knees, and then feel long in your neck. Good. Inhale, tilt your tailbone, look up at the sky and open your heart. And then exhale, lift your belly, tuck your chin, and then puff up your back. Curl your toes and then gently press into downward facing dog as you extend your hips back. Shake your head from side to side, relax your neck. Inhale, deepen the breath, and then feel all of your muscles and bones here. Find length in the low back, press down through your heels. And then slowly and carefully walk up to your hands so that you're in a forward fold. Exhale, take your hands around the back of your legs, fingers face your heels, and then pull your chest to your thighs. Elongate your gaze forward, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, bring your hands forward of the leg, lift and lengthen. And then exhale, fold forward. This time, let your arms dangle like they're dead weight. Turn your body into a skeleton and then slowly, slowly roll it up inch by inch, bone by bone, until you've come all the way to stand. And then take your shoulders up and then exhale, roll them down. Press firmly into both of your feet and then allow your arms to be forward. Raise your right arm up to the sky, grab your left ear, and then gently pull your head over to the right. So I'll face forward so you can see. And you're going the opposite way as me, but you're just kind of pulling over. And then if you need to, your chin can tuck straight down towards your belly button. And then inhale, you're gonna slowly reach your arm back up, relax it down, and then switch. So again, the arm comes up, grab your ear, pull your ear to your shoulder, and then gently tuck down. So again, your arm is extending away from the body, thumb is up. And then to get more, maybe raise your arm up. It's up to you. Exhale, release your arm from the side, extend your arm up, and then release the arm back down. Take the shoulders up and down one time, and then inhale, raise both of your arms. Bend your elbows, lift your chest forward for me. And then inhale, re-extend. Exhale, bow forward with soft knees. Halfway lift your spine, gaze forward, and then carefully bow forward. You're gonna take your left foot and you're gonna step it all the way back. We're gonna lower our knee, and then we're gonna inhale, just lunge forward towards this right leg. And then as you do that, you might walk your foot forward or back a little bit more. Lift your chest and then feel all this space in your back left hip flexor, psoas muscle, maybe even into your core. And then we're gonna place our right hand inside of our right foot so that our shoulder and our knee meet. And then peel our left arm up to the sky. So just spread your chest. Exhale, lower the hands to the inside of your foot. Heel toe the right foot over to the right. Bring your hands more to center and then lift your chest forward. Curl your back toes, lift the knee, and then we'll straighten both of our legs as we look back. If this is too hard to straighten your legs, you'll keep this right knee slightly bent, or you'll put your hands on blocks which extend the length of your arms. So turn your eyes back and see your toes. On your next breath, we're gonna inhale, come forward with the heart. And then exhale, bring the back knee down one more time. This time, take the hand outside of the foot as the feet come back to the center. Bend your front knee. And then inhale, left hand behind you, raise your right arm up to the sky. 3, 2, and then release your right hand and then your left hand. And we're gonna step back to the top of the mat, feet together. So depending on your body and on your tightness, you might have felt that a lot or a little. So go ahead and grab the back of those legs and pull yourself in. And then on your next breath, hold your hips, inhale, rise. Take your arms way up into the air, breathe in. And then exhale your hands to your heart, breathe out. Take your arms back up on your inhale. Find the back bend again with bent elbows. So you're just gonna squeeze the shoulders together. Notice my elbows are to the sides. Lift your heart. Inhale, re-extend your arms. And then exhale, fold in. Take a half lift, look forward. And then gently take your right foot, step it back. And then we're gonna place our right knee down. Keep your fingertips down and just lunge forward. Feel the space in the front of this right hip start to build. You're gonna gently allow your left hand now to come to the inside of your foot. Lean the shoulder into the knee just like before, and then peel the right arm open, and then open up your chest. So if you're tight here, you'll feel this a whole lot. And then on your breath out, we'll bring our hand down. So both our hands are inside of our feet, and then we'll pull our heart forward. And we'll breathe here for 3. Relax your head down if you need to for 2. Maybe your neck is tight. And then exhale on 1. We'll curl our toes and we'll straighten our back leg and then possibly our front leg as we look back at our right foot. So I'm feeling this long stretch through my hamstring and then through the front of the shin as I keep my toes down. If you want, you can lift your toes, drive your heel down, toes up. From here, bend your front knee. Put your right knee back down again. That's the knee that's behind you. Walk your left foot to the center of your mat. We'll take our right hand around and then inhale when we're ready, raise our left arm up. So create space and lean over your back hand for 3, 2, and then exhale, release left hand, and then right hand for 1, and just work into your hips. Good. Pick up your back knee, and then exhale, step forward again. Halfway lift your spine and gently pivot so that you're facing my direction as I turn towards you. From here, we're gonna gently rise to stand, and our feet are separated as wide as the length of one of our legs. Go ahead and inhale. You're gonna take your arms and then feed them out to the sides of the room, so the left and the right for me. Palms face up, so that when you roll your arms up, you should feel this long line of energy through the bicep and into your fingertips. Go ahead and inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, take your hands around, interlock the fingers, back bend for me. And then bring this interlocked arm forward, dropping your head, lifting your tail. Soften your knees so they're not super, super straight. Exhale, stay here. If this hurts your shoulders, you can release your hands. Otherwise, breathe in with me and breathe out.
Look over the left shoulder as you turn your head, stretch your neck. Look over the right shoulder as you turn your head and stretch your neck. Place both of your hands down. Lift and lengthen your spine so you get a nice flat back for me. And then exhale, fold in. Feel the work here in the outsides of the feet pressing, so push into your feet. And then feel free to take the hands around the ankles and try to pull yourself a little bit further, staying here for another 2 full breaths. Inhale for 1. Exhale, fold. Inhale for 2. Exhale and fold. We'll bring our hands down. We're going to lift halfway up. And then we're going to gently and carefully bring our feet close together so that we can raise our heels up, push our knees forward for a pose called toe balance. So I want you to hug your knees in and then start to find balance as your hands come to your chest. Squeeze your knees in and then feel this stretch in the bottoms of your feet. And then on your exhale, bring your hands down, try to cup your heels, and then just bow over your legs. We're going to repeat this pose, but we're going to make it a little bit different. So we're going to inhale, bring the hands back to the heart. Extend the knees out to the sides of the room, and then bring yourself forward. Option 1, this might be enough, and you might feel it a whole lot in your feet, and that's okay. Option 2, you're going to reach around and try to grab your heels. Option 3, your head will touch the mat, and then your knees can come wider. So my heels are still off the ground as I hold them. My knees are opening, and I'm working deep into my groin, my pelvic floor region, and then releasing some in my upper back as well. Go ahead and bring the hands forward next to the head. If they're not already in front of you, join me there, and then inhale, straighten your body up. And then we'll exhale, have a seat on our mat. From here, let both legs come forward in front of you. Now, those of you that are super tight, I want you to space your feet apart. And if you're not as tight, hug your legs in for me. Extend your arms up high, let your heart lift. Exhale, hinge and fold forward, and then bowing over the legs. No matter where you are in a forward fold, just be with that part of your body and let yourself go. Full breath in. And full breath out. Inhale. And exhale. We're going to go ahead and take a wide seat. I'm going to spin towards you, so you will be facing each other. And then our heels are on either end of our mat. Now, if you just kind of have carpet underneath you or you're on the floor, it doesn't matter which way you turn. I just want you to try to get your legs to move out to the sides. Use your fingertips behind you, which tilts your tail slightly forward, including your pelvis, and your toes are up in the air. Exhale, turn to your right. And then as you move towards the right leg, start to fold over it. Now you might be pretty straight up and down, and there might not be much room. Keep this foot active, so don't let it fall. And then gently fold over this straight leg. Feel your torso reach forward and relax through the lower back on the opposite side. Take 2 full breaths. Inhale. Exhale 1. Inhale. Exhale 2. Slowly and carefully come up, come through center, and then we'll twist to our opposite side, so to your left side. Inhale as we lengthen, and then exhale as we fold over our opposite leg. Again, keep your foot active on the other side and fold. Feel the stretch through your groin, keep lengthening and keep breathing. Go ahead and breathe into the hamstring and breathe out. Come back to center on your inhale. Sit up nice and tall, lift your chest forward. And then exhale, option 1, stay here.
Option 2, hands come to your legs and maybe you fold further. Option 3, your hands walk forward and then you choose how far you walk. Eventually, maybe you can get your chin to come all the way down. Depending on your flexibility, your arms can be forward, or you can have your hands holding your toes. And just feel yourself relax here in this fold, in the space that you can create between each leg. Deep breath in for 1. Exhale. 1 more inhale. And then gently bring your arms back. Sit up nice and tall and then feel the space between the legs. And then slowly and carefully bend one knee. You're gonna grab the back of it to assist you and then bend the other. We're gonna take a nice lateral stretch to each side. So go ahead and lean over to your right. Lower your right palm, maybe your forearm. Nice long reach. You should feel a little bit warmer, which might give you more space. And then to the second side, go ahead and lower the opposite palm and forearm. Big reach over your head. And then on your next breath, you're gonna return to center. We're gonna hold our knees and we're just gonna take small circles, allowing our chest to move forward and around, which is gonna relax possibly any tension we're still holding in our low back. Go ahead and reverse that direction for me. And then we're gonna inhale, sit up nice and tall, extend your arms high into the air. Pull the hands to your heart. Thank you guys for practicing with me. This class again was designed for those of you with bodies that you use every single day to make yourself stronger and better. So remember to take care of your bodies with this recovery flow. Thank you.